placed my keys beside the doorway. The room was quiet in a familiar way. A chair still faced the open window, just as it had on another day. The kettle waited on the counter. The evening settled on the floor. Nothing seemed to ask for changing. Nothing needed anything more. The river still moved somewhere in the distance, though I could only hear it in my mind. Old letters rested in a wooden drawer, without asking to be read this time. August lingered in the faded curtains. The station echoed in the passing trains. Sunday lived inside an empty coffee cup. Morning in the coolness after rain. Perhaps a home is built from little moments, collected slowly over many years. Not from walls or maps or certain answers, but familiar sounds returning to our ears. A window opening before the daylight, a wooden floor beneath a quiet chair. The simple habit of coming back each evening and finding gentle silence waiting there. Outside, another night was softly gathering. Someone closed a gate somewhere nearby. A bicycle rolled home beneath the street lights, then disappeared.